She was one of the sharpest minds in France, and she taught herself to vanish. Simone Weil could have lived in libraries. Instead, she walked into the Renault factory floor. She wanted to feel what the workers felt, the exhaustion, the machine that swallows the soul. A Marxist who carried a rifle in Spain until 1938, when she said Christ took hold of her. She gave it a name, affliction, the suffering that hollows you out and lays you bare before God. In London, with France under occupation, she refused to eat more than the rations of the conquered. By 1943, her body was failing. An untouched plate beside the bed, a figure growing fainter each day. She died at 34, the mystic who tried to think and starve her way to the light.